Here we're looking at hammer-ons. Now, what is a hammer-on? You could describe it as aggressive fretting. Normally when we play, we pluck each note. But with hammer-ons, we can pluck one note and then produce the next note by aggressively striking the fretting finger onto the string. Now what this gives us is a smoother sound because you don't hear the string being plucked all of the time. Now how's the best way to go about this? Now with all fretting, good practice is to use the very tip of your finger and to place it just behind the fret, like so. Hammer-ons are no different. All you do is raise the finger off the string and then bring it down into that good fretting position. Now by using the tip of your finger, you get the most impact in the smallest possible space, which means you get a nice clear sound and you can be nice and accurate. Now you'll notice that my finger never lifts very far off the string. A lot of times I see students pointing their finger completely away from the guitar and then curving it back in. This doesn't do any good. In fact, the further away you are, the more likely you are to miss. It's not the distance, it's the speed. Now what I mean by that is that when you decide to do the hammer-on, it's how quickly you do it, not how quickly you do it after plucking the previous note. Let me demonstrate. So I can let that note just sit there, and then when I decide to do it, it's the speed with which I throw my finger in that determines how good the hammer-on is going to be. If you're doing it correctly, it should sound as clear as the string itself. Okay, so take your time. Rushing doesn't improve matters. And if you use the tip of your finger and slam your finger down, your fretting and your hammer-ons should be good.